Kase Outlook is a Bloomberg application that allows traders, analysts, and portfolio managers to analyze securities and identify trend direction, trend strength, support and resistance targets, probabilities for meeting those targets, and potential turning points.
The first time Kase Outlook is launched, it will come up with a tutorial. This tutorial covers a lot of the same information that we will be covering in this and subsequent videos. In this video, we will run a forecast on a set of custom securities that we will type into a list. This is called a custom list outlook. We can run this type of analysis by choosing the button labeled Run a Custom List Outlook in the middle of the screen, or by choosing the icon on the main menu bar. For the custom list outlook, we can enter up to 20 securities in the security list. Each security is entered by hand, and the symbology works just like it does in the Bloomberg platform. For instance, if we want to run analysis on Dell, we would type in Dell and then type in equity, or we can hit our F8 or equity button on the Bloomberg keyboard and then hit the plus sign to add the security. Once we have entered the desired list of securities, we can set sorting options by choosing up and down direction, up direction, or alphabetical. We can also set a sort order, ascending and descending, and then we can look at the estimated runtime. Finally, we press the Run Outlook button. Once the analysis completes, the Kase Outlook dashboard is displayed. The dashboard initially shows a set of color-coded arrows indicating direction, as well as a probability for the market continuing in that direction. Arrows that are pointing to the left that are red indicate the market should go down towards support, and arrows that are green and pointing to the right indicate a market that should continue to rise. For instance, Dell shows an 85% probability of falling towards support, and the S&P index shows a 75% probability of rising towards its resistance targets. We can run further analysis by selecting up to 10 individual securities and then clicking on the Calculate Probabilities and Targets button on the main menu bar. The security chosen now shows the 5 most confluent support and resistance targets, as well as the probabilities for meeting those targets. So in this case, the S&P index has a 75% probability of rising to 1607.50, a 70% probability of rising to 1619, and a 65% probability of rising to 1646.40. Currently, the time frame for this analysis is approximately 5 to 10 days.
Kase Outlook has the functionality to import and run analysis on Bloomberg portfolios that have been defined in PRTU Go. These portfolios are defined and stored in Kase Outlook's portfolio library. We can access the portfolio library by clicking on the button on the Kase Outlook home screen, or by clicking on the icon in the main menu bar. In the portfolio library, we can add Bloomberg portfolios to Kase Outlook. To add a portfolio, we click on the Add button. We then type in a name for the portfolio. This is how the portfolio will be defined and referenced in Kase Outlook. We now need to add the portfolio U number or portfolio ID. The portfolio ID is found by going to PRTU Go in Bloomberg, choosing the portfolio that we want to add, and then either writing down or right-clicking and copying the portfolio ID number. Once the portfolio ID number has been added, we click OK. That portfolio is now accessible by Kase Outlook. To run analysis and a forecast on a portfolio, we can click on the Run a Portfolio Outlook button on the home screen of Kase Outlook, or choose the Portfolio Outlook icon on the main menu bar. From here, we can use the drop-down menu to choose a portfolio to run analysis on. We can also set sorting criteria. For instance, if we wanted to identify the top 10 securities that have the highest probability of rising, then we would set our Display Top 10, Sort by Up Direction, and Sort Order Descending. We can even choose to exclude certain securities from our portfolio in this analysis. Once we've set all of our sorting options and we've chosen our portfolio, we press the Run Outlook button. After the initial analysis completes, we can run further analysis on each individual security from the Kase Outlook dashboard. With Kase Outlook, traders, analysts, and portfolio managers can analyze securities to identify trend direction and strength, support and resistance targets, probabilities, and potential turning points. Kase Outlook is also built to screen Bloomberg PRTU portfolios for optimal trading opportunities. Learn more about Kase Outlook at apps Kase Out Go. You're also more than welcome to call us with any questions that you may have at 505-237-1600 or email askkase@casego.com. Thank you.